Welcome back to Texas Mommy. My name is Amanda, and today I was going to be sharing with you guys my Birchbox for May. So I'm so excited to see what is in my box this month. So continue watching so you can see too. Okay guys, so I promised I didn't cheat. I did open up the box so that if y'all saw last month's video, which I'll put in one of these corners, you'll see I did have a little trouble opening that box. So this month I decided to go ahead and just open up the box to make it easier for me. So let's get into the box. So you see here, it does have this cute little decoration on my box, these little triangles. So when we go into here, it does have, you know, your soak up the sunshine, and on the back, of course, it has every product I got and how much each one of them are. So let's go into the products. So this first one is from Kula. It is a golden organic BB cream. And if you saw last month, you know I really do love these BB cream ones. Especially right now while it's summer, I don't really like wearing a heavy foundation, so I kind of rely on those. And then we have this Beauty Protector Protect and Detangles Leave-In Conditioner. Oh, that is awesome. Let me show you, y'all can see this, guys. Because even though my hair is straight, I do get tangles and it can be a mess. And then we have some Congested Skin Serum. I did receive this last month, but that was in my extra box, so if it works, hey, that's great. I'll get 2 of them. So continuing on. Then we have this, ooh, this is pretty. It's from Stila. It's a Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. So you can see it here, guys. That is a very, very pretty red. And as you can see from my lips, I love red lipstick. So let's open this up. Oh, wow. This is red. So I'm gonna put it on my wrist so y'all can see it, guys, and see how. Oh wow, that is very, very red. So you can see here, that is, and it's actually redder than y'all can see on camera, I promise y'all, but it is really pretty. Then next I have this by LOC. It is a liquid shimmer shadow. So this is a, sorry guys, I didn't even show you the packaging. This is the packaging. You can see really the color is kind of like right here, so you can't really see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up too and put it on the same hand as this one. Oh wow, that is very thick and very pretty as well. So you can really see this gold right here, guys. It is very shiny, very pretty, and you can see when I do turn my hand, depending on the light, you can see, you know, it really does shimmer. So that is it, guys. These are my 5 things that I got from Birchbox for May. So I am so excited to be sharing this with you guys and so excited to be trying these products out. I mean, who doesn't love products? Hello. That is, you know, part of the reason why I go ahead and order it. It is only $10 a month. So if you're interested in ordering Birchbox for yourself or maybe one of your friends, go ahead and check my description box down below, and I'll leave a link in there. That way you can go on there and order it for yourself as well. And also don't forget, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Become one of my lovely YouTube family members that I love talking to y'all in the comment section down below as well. So hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day. Bye.